everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 25th to 29th of September 2023 on Monday. Cobra flees with danger as he tried to find a way out of his situation, and NOMONDE makes a move against LINDIWE on Tuesday. NOMONDE and LINDIWE put everything on the line to prove who can be the most evil. Cobra comes home to an unpleasant surprise on Wednesday. LINDIWE makes a last-ditch attempt to get rid of NOMONDE. Kidiboni has to go down on her knees to save a loved one from going to jail on Thursday. The Mokwenas find themselves issuing out a round of apologies. With the lawyer by her side, NOMONDE makes some demands from LINDIWE on Friday. The Mokwenas come full cycle. LINDIWE makes a decision that makes the whole family takes the whole family by surprise. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.